Michael Kasat. Listed. Joro. Lapeli Tulo. Mes Kasanipe. We have local leader. He is now audio. Bohong dan masih Tuhan Allah. Kapten Asri untuk Suna would like to call on stage Additional Commissioner of Texas, Nagaland. Name on stage. Alam itu kata apa lagi? Agun Flu, Pilih Masuk. Amai lo mereka dulu lagi. Sonja Polo, Laben, Forward, Ian Nabilo Thomas Council, Robindro Rompi Abihai, Labelon Nagani, JC PPLO, Chairman, Ralipat Abe, Labelin Bohong Penatu Lihat, Sulawesi Barat. Dalam jumlah untuk asli itu loh Adivasi kan leader, ada Adivasi leader berada di Kongun lagi Michael Keshav. We have a leader from the Adivasi community, so we call state.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm standing here at Longnet Burton, constituency of Singhason. Today, HSPLC has celebrated 8th anniversary of so let us to them and for everyone, also those who are coming here to thankful to them.
Ala animarni itu ala lipan pokoi pakpen karjo poni pasenili pacini lo. Allah Allah. Ili tumpini kejapapon menseti Alisa INTP. Alang linon owe kimi alun jur kimi mepik alang lido basi alang lihin penlanon kiluntan alun jur puthot ilitung alang li bangkera impen pini live performance pen alang li penler dipon nai tatang kanal por alang li pan support dipon lo.
Hello. To choro lo pini APHLC 8 foundation there ni nang litung kadu.
Tinangani ko ito wet niya. Ano mo video na.
Ini lah APSLC itu foundation dia mana makan kita ani honger kiat kicok ani dok ini karbiang long ada yang kedua anak terus dan ada mana APSLC itu hal ani kecil dum ante ini ledak kan ter elemen ke dimikateron ini ke hansuri long pen buku ageta dimen secretary pinki
Ada HPLC 8th anniversary yang
Nalop tidak IPHRC 8 foundation di Kujang Mati Arnilo. Asnili tu malam ini IPHRC kecing corner dan an tu kami ya. IPHRC apa? Kecing foundation di Kujang Mati Arnilo.
Bangkaan ya saya HPLC itu mana sih tahun ketiga?
Kita kasih tahu pun bang, kau tu sejauh di bawah.
Ini kan untuk reply, ini kan reply. So, here. Can you answer me?
So today we came here to represent our district, right? So for APHLC party. So right now we are representing our right and our embracing our culture and our tradition.
So here in HPLC Founder Day is celebrated. So for you all who brought here,
He's our leader.
Sarnung Khong.
By faith. Sarmu Khang by faith. He's a member of APHLC.
Are you all students?
We are all students and currently some of us are still not pursuing our career like 12 and we are younger. I mean, we still have a lot of time to and yes, today we have a holiday so we can become other students.
Are you feel happy that you are coming here proud?
Yes, we all feel proud and happy. So everyone our culture and represent our tradition.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So I am gonna take this video because I want to join the film because I want to know like
Strong because they were the architect, the makers of the 6th schedule and the constitution. After that, we were demanding autonomous hill state and a united autonomous region for the tribe people, including, at that time, including Nagaland, Yusai Hills, present Mizoram, and all the hills districts of Assam in those days. Hills districts means Khasi Hills, Jowai, Garo Hills, Yusai Hills, Naga Hills at that time, and Mikiri Hills and North Kachar Hills. At present it is the Mahasau. They were the people who led us. Captain Sarma was the architect of Meghalaya and he led us as the president of APHLC, and without any being killed in the demand, just imagine, not even one was killed. There were 2 persons I think killed, but they were strong because they were the architect, the makers of the 6th schedule and the constitution. After that, we were demanding autonomous hill state and a united autonomous region for the tribe people, including, at that time, including Nagaland, Yusai Hills, present Mizoram, and all the hills districts of Assam in those days. Hills districts means Khasi Hills, Jowai, Garo Hills, Yusai Hills, Naga Hills at that time, and Mikiri Hills and North Kachar Hills. At present it is the Mahasau. They were the people who led us. Captain Sarma was the architect of Meghalaya and he led us as the president of APHLC, and without any being killed in the demand, just imagine, not even one was killed. There were 2 persons I think killed, but they are Moniram Langmi and John Mandiana, Mizo, Laudenga, Mizo, Hoping Stone Lindo, Hasi, GC Langthasa, and from NC Hills, Munindro Rompi, Karbianglong, Lawrence Timu, Karbianglong, Raidan Inti, Karbianglong, David Long Inghi, Karbianglong, Long Sodar Inti, Kartika Village Joint Secretary APHLC, and one of the signatories of creation of Autonomous Hill State in 1969. Bapuram Singna, Hanjang Langso, Executive Member APHLC, Joy Singh Tokbi, Leader APHLC, David Inlay, APHLC, Karbianglong, Songbe Dipu, Karbi Anglong, Barilong Terang. Later on, he was a cabinet minister, but we could not, without Hill State. And then Borsing Terang, without FSLC, Dorsing Terang, not Borsing. Lumjong Intikatar, he was from Hamred, Rongham Rongbong. Harmon Inghi, Julius Hanse, Prabhat Rongham, Sonaram Terang, Longkeri Intikatar, Har Singh Intikatar, Horikanto Rongham, Irwinson Timur, Harbamon Intikatar, Harrison Nandi, Longville Intikatar, Wellborn Pro, Basuram Hanse, Ganhiram Timur, he was later on a minister, Prabhat Chandra Topi, Samsing Terror, Peter Tiso, Umchara, Espotaro, Dongmuka, Solomon Romphar Senot, Sarki Terror, he was a financier for impatience in those days. Sarki Terror, he was rich, so he was called governor. Singing Tai P, Purnima Inghi. Recently, she was a vice president of APHLC. She died a few years ago. Kare Pangchopi from Mohamaya, Olivia Timo from Tapat. He was killed during a skirmish in the border with Meghalaya. Linus Pangcho, Cherim Tepi, he was killed on, I think, on 22nd December. He was killed by police firing. Edwin Barre, he used to remain in our house in Tika for a long time. He was a PHLC Central Executive Member. Sarah Intikakar, he was a PHLC member and he contested election from a PHLC in those days. We have written here only 54. There were many more. I think one is missing here. One, Upendro Rompi. I don't know why the name is missing. Upendro Rompi, he was the martyr. Yes, his name, I typed it last night. Oh, his name is not here. He was the martyr. In 1969, he was killed at Hong Kong by two youth. He was coming back home after meeting, and from the backside, two youth went and then with an iron rod, they hit him in the back of his head and he died there himself. Because he was one of them who brought autonomous state at that time. So those people who did not like autonomous state, they killed him. Just imagine how foolish those people were. This is what it happened. I don't know why his name is not here. How could it happen? He was in the last side, I wrote it. That is Upendro Rompi. I don't know why it is like that. Upendro Rompi, he used to be called Rompi Lamding.
And request our sister to felicitate with traditional poho. We have our Tiwa leader. He is none other than John Maslai. So I request John Maslai. We have a Tiwa leader. John, if you are there, you can just wave your hand. Oh, he is there on the last line. Okay, he is there. I request John to come on the stage. John must like to come on the stage. Thank you. Yes, bangke lansil tu bachini pun chadlo. Non bangke nili pachi hekten tu bachini padapan. Adi ke chilungi phan APSLC Central Committee doan. APSLC Central Committee doan. Karja penari ke chilungi phan. APSLC doan. long live! Jai Qatar long live! Jai Qatar long live! Sikh schedule long live! Choro lo? Non bangke APSLC LAC committee doang. Wothad langso LAC Bokajan LAC APSLC pai nama APSLC pai nama APSLC pai nama Choro lo? Non bangke APSLC karja peti fansi edike chiruk fansi nele jonung riponing lo. APSLC pai nama Jai Qatar pai nama Sikh schedule long live Sikh schedule long live Jururi lo APSLC women wing doan APSLC women wing pangtang nama 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 non youth wing gold station ko na chogorat karjabi function nile jonung ruponing lo APSLC youth wing pangtang nama APSLC youth wing pangtang nama APSLC nasi non
non ke Lunia Pak Johnny Grillo. Welcome song tangan lagi. Sarpini Long Pak General Secretary Alang Lee welcome address. Lapen slogan shouting 2 minutes pulo. Daga 2 minutes na nelor ko por well.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm standing here at Longnet Burjan, HLC of Singhason. Today, HLC has celebrated 8th anniversary of Burjan. So let us ask to them and for everyone, also those who are coming here to thankful to them.
Ala animarni itu ala lipan pokoi pakpen karjo poni pasenili pacini lo Halo, ili tumpini ke Jepapon non seti Alisa INTP, alang linon owe kimi alun jur kimi mepik alang lido, basi alang lihin pelanon kiluntang alun jur puthot ilitung, alang li bangkira ingpen kini live performance men alang li penleo di ponai, tatang kanal por alang li pan support di pon lo.
Hello. To choro lo pini APHLC 8 foundation there ni nang liton kadu.
So now I would like to call on stage Additional Commissioner of Texas, Nagaland, ma'am on stage. Aguntu, Pilih Mansuk, Amayo Nato Gundo, Lage, Somja Polo, Laben, Forward, Ian Nabelo Thomas Council, Robindro Rompi Hai, Natelon Nagaland, JC PPAO Chairman, Rani Panabe,